In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put an image in a shape in Canva. We'll move from a blank design to a polished layout using Canva's built-in frames, so your photos neatly clip into any shape you choose. Start by opening Canva in your browser and creating a new design. Pick a template style that fits your project, then select the size you need. Choosing the right dimensions at the start helps your images stay crisp and avoids resizing later. With your canvas ready, head to the Elements tab on the left. In the search bar, type Shape. From the results, look for the Frames section and click See All. Frames are special shapes that automatically mask photos and videos, which is exactly what we want. Choose any frame shape you like: a circle, a rounded rectangle, a letter, or something more decorative, and place it on your canvas. Next, go to Uploads on the left panel. If your image is already there, great. Simply click and drag it over the frame. When you see the shape highlight, release to drop the image in. The photo will instantly snap inside the frame. To fine-tune the crop, double-click the framed image. You'll enter editing mode, where you can click and drag to reposition the photo within the shape. Use the corner handles to scale the image so the subject sits exactly where you want it. When it looks right, click outside the frame to confirm. If the framing still feels off, double-click again and make small adjustments until it feels balanced. Let's add a second frame photo to build a cohesive layout. Go back to Elements, search Shapes again if needed, and insert another frame. Return to Uploads, choose a second image, and drag it onto the new frame until it snaps in place. Double-click to adjust the crop and position, just like before. Now refine the overall composition. Click the frame itself to resize or move the entire shape on the canvas. Drag from the corners to keep proportions even, and nudge frames into alignment using the guides that appear as you move them. Reposition each framed image until the spacing feels even and the visual weight looks balanced. If you want to try a different picture, simply drag another image from Uploads onto the same frame to replace it. That's it. You opened Canva, created a design, chose your size, found frames and elements, placed your images by dragging them into the frames, double-clicked to adjust, and then resized and repositioned for a clean, professional result. Follow these steps and you'll have on-brand images clipped perfectly into any shape every time.